さっきの砂嵐で街中の花粉が舞ったんだね。
もうイライラするわ。シュッシュッ。
ひどい。
What is the deal with all the crazy pollen in this town?
Allergies?
I guess the wind from that sandstorm whipped up all the pollen and crap in the air.
Oh, this is freaking annoying! Owie!
Sucker punch?